Do you also want to become a Java developer and want to grab a high package job? Then this video is for you. आज की वीडियो में I will share a complete roadmap for Java and as well as free resources which includes everything at free of cost. Only you have to spend your time and consistency, you will become a Java developer, right? I'm here to help you guys with the resources, with the guidance. Only you have to spend your time and you have to show a little dedication. You will grab a very good job because Java developers are high in demand and the packages are huge. Like all the big companies work in this domain. You can grab a very good job. So start now. You have the roadmap which I'll share and the resources. Before starting the video, if you are new to this channel and you are looking for off-campus placement material, previously I have shared all the resources which can be very helpful for your job search. You will get the system design notes, DSA, resume related projects, online coding question and latest job openings, internship updates. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon. Okay, if any resource is missing, you can let me know in the comment section. And video के last में I will share a bonus resource where you will get interview questions of Java, Java handwritten notes, Springboard notes, cheat sheets. Only we hit the our target like that is 200 today. Okay, so ठीक है, you become a Java developer, but where to find jobs? For that we have a startup list. You'll get the startup list, all the different locations and sector wise you will get the Bangalore, Noida, Gurgaon and funded startup list, some remote hiring and some outside the world, I mean global. So yeah, here I have curated a complete roadmap with free resources, everything you will get with this link here on this blog. So basically you want to become a Java developer, but what is Java developer? Who are Java developers? So basically a Java developer is a software engineer who specialize in Java programming to build maintain application. Okay, basically they are responsible for designing, implementing, testing, maintaining backend system or full stack applications. And why Java is famous or known for? Because you write once and run anywhere. Strong object oriented programming which is very helpful for big applications, and it's a enterprise level stability, rich ecosystem. Like we have lots of framework like Spring, Hibernate, Maven. Okay, so regarding job market and demand, so Java has been top 5 programming language over 2 decades. Okay, according to this organization, and it will remain a dominant choice in backend development. So these are the some domains like sectors where Java is used. Like for backend development it's used for banking, insurance and healthcare and government sectors. Platforms are used which is developed in Java. Okay, companies like Amazon, Netflix, Google, Infosys, Wipro, TCS, all the big companies actually hire Java developers. So don't be behind. Become a Java developer if you have determined that you want to be a Java developer. It's not for the other people to convince that become a Java developer, but this is video for the people who are already determined to become a Java developer and who love to code in Java. So here the roadmap, what you'll get in the roadmap from beginner to advanced roadmap with tools, deployment tools, system design pattern and project interview. All the resources you will get. First of all, the first phase is that you have to master your programming fundamentals like variables, data types, operator conditions. So first you have to go through the tutorial of Java. You should be good in fundamentals, syntax. Okay, so here I've added the Java programming tutorial, YouTube tutorial by Mosh, you already know, and then one is Code Academy Learn Java, and there's one book which you can read. Then we so you can take up to 1 month to have the fundamentals of Java, and after fundamentals you have to go to core Java, where you have to spend at least 1.5 months to build strong core Java foundations. Topics are like classes, interfaces, objects, inheritance and polymorphism, exception handling. Java collection is very important, like list, set, map, then generic, enums, Java 8. So ये आपको 1.5 महीने में कवर करना है ये टॉपिक्स, ठीक है। उससे रिलेटेड रिसोर्सेज आई हैव एडेड दिस जावा ब्रेन्स। दिस इज अ वेरी गुड यूट्यूब चैनल वेयर यू गेट द ऑल द रिसोर्सेज और आई मीन मेजर प्लेलिस्ट related to Java, Spring Boot and all. Okay, then third phase is that you have to spend at least 2 weeks in Maven and Gradle to learn about these tools, all the resources added. Then you have to do unit testing and TDD parallel track, जो आप उसके साथ ऊपर के फेस के साथ कर सकते हो, जिसमें आपको JUnit 5 बेसिक्स पढ़ना है, Mockito फॉर मेकिंग इंटीग्रेशन टेस्ट रिसोर्सेज, ठीक है। इससे रिलेटेड रिसोर्सेज मैंने ऐड कर दिया है। देन डेटाबेस एंड परसिस्टेंट के बारे में 1 से 1.5 महीने आपको स्पेंड करने हैं, जिसमें आपको JDBC SQL के बारे में सीखना पड़ेगा, हाइबरनेट, स्प्रिंग डेटा, GPA। सो सबसे रिलेटेड रिसोर्सेज आई हैव एडेड। देन यू हैव वेब डेवलपमेंट विद स्प्रिंग बूट, जहाँ पे स्प्रिंग कोर के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, स्प्रिंग बूट स्टार्टर, स्प्रिंग MVC, रेस्ट कंट्रोलर्स, डेटा एक्सेस विद GPA, स्प्रिंग सिक्योरिटी। सबसे रिलेटेड आई हैव एडेड द रिसोर्सेज। ओके, then you should have the knowledge of REST API and JSON. You can spend 3 weeks. So resources to related all these topics I have added here. Then you have to be good knowledge about DevOps essential like Git, GitHub, CI/CD, GitHub Action, Jenkins, Docker basics, logging with SLF4J. Here you have the resources. Then advanced Java like multi-threading, concurrency, executor service, JVM internal. So all these are like tough topics. You have to go from the basic to advanced. Don't jump to any topic. Then you have a capstone project, means unless you practice you won't acquire the knowledge, so you have to go through the practice as well. Then here you have the some project ideas, okay. These are bonus resources like data structure or system design, Java full stack interview question, Spring Boot interview questions, ये सारे हैं। तो साथ में आपको थोड़ा सा डेटा स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में भी पढ़ना है, सिस्टम डिजाइन के बारे में भी पढ़ना है, ठीक है। अब आ जाता है अल्टीमेट जावा रिसोर्सेज, जहां पे सब कुछ मैंने ऐड कर दिया है। मींस की टॉप साइट्स टू लर्न जावा प्रोग्रामिंग, मतलब कि इतनी सारी साइट्स हैं, उसमें से टॉप साइट्स मैंने क्यूरेट की है, जो आप कोई भी एक यूज कर सकते हो जो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल है या आपके लैंग्वेज में लिखा हो जो आपको पसंद है, ठीक है। ये दीज आर टॉप साइट्स लाइक W3 इज वेरी फेमस, प्रोग्रामिंग ट्यूटोरियल्स, पॉइंट गिग्स फॉर गिव्स and all. There is one Oracle Java tutorial that is main. Then you have best courses to learn Java, mostly are Udemy, and then one is Coursera and Product site. So these are paid courses, like I don't recommend to go directly through the courses. You can easily get from YouTube. अगर आपको सर्टिफिकेट चाहिए जिसमें वैल्यू होता है तब आप कोर्सेज करो, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज फ्री, यू कैन डू फ्रॉम यूट्यूब, एंड देयर आर ऑल्सो सम free courses of Java which you can find. I have just added the for the people who want to spend, otherwise it's not compulsory. Best YouTube channels for Java developers. Then you have a Java Telescope, Programming with Moz, Derek Banes, Free Code Cam is very good, Neso Academy, Spring Developer, Thoughts on Java. And the platform to practice Java coding is like you already know, like HackerRank, LeetCode, Code Wars, and then beginner friendly practice platform where you can practice Java is Coding Bat, Code Away, Coder Byte. प्रोजेक्ट बेस्ड लर्निंग यहाँ पे आप सीख सकते हैं, कोड जिम, प्रोजेक्ट यूलर, ओके। देन हेयर आर सम जावा प्रोजेक्ट आइडियाज टू बिल्ड. So these are some Java project ideas, and इसके source code I have already like created a blog here. You get the all the projects related to other domains as well as Java, like Java projects and then core Java projects like create consumer relationship management system and many more. Okay, then you have GitHub repositories. This one is very good, like Spring Boot. ये सारी गिटहब रिपोजिटरीज बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा लाइक रिसोर्सफुल हैं। आप किसी पे भी जाओगे लाइक जावा कोर्स फॉर बिगनर्स, इसमें सब कुछ आपको मिल जाएगा। लाइक दे आर वेरी रिच रिसोर्सेज, गिटहब रिपोजिटरीज विच यू कैन बुक मार्क एंड visit regularly. Like you have questions. I mean, look at it, सब कुछ है इसमें, ठीक है। एंड देन यू हैव वन मोर helpful repositories like Java, awesome Java. Contents related to architecture, artificial intelligence, CLI, cloud. So इसमें से आपको Java से related पूरा यूज करना है। And then you have a design pattern for Java people. Like there are many people who are looking design pattern related to Java. So here you will get the all the design pattern related resources. और क्या चाहिए आपको, सब कुछ तो है, 1 रुपए भी नहीं खर्च करने की जरूरत है। फिर यहाँ पे जावा ब्लॉग्स प्लेटफॉर्म, जहाँ पे आप कनेक्टेड रह सकते हैं, रेगुलरली पढ़ सकते हैं लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स रिलेटेड टू जावा। एंड देन आई हैव एडेड जावा सॉरी लेट्स कोड रिसोर्सेज लाइक रोड मैप्स में आपको सब कुछ मिलेगा, सारे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट लाइक प्लेसमेंट से रिलेटेड, एप्टीट्यूड, रिज्यूमे गाइड, डीएसए रोड मैप, सिस्टम डिजाइन, JavaScript, React.js. So you can also go through all these road maps. अगर कॉलेज स्टूडेंट है तो प्लेसमेंट वाला जरूर चेक करना। एंड देन यू हैव इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चन, जहाँ पे आपको सारे सीएस फंडामेंटल प्लस फेमस टेक स्टैक्स के इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस मिल जाएंगे, ठीक है, इजिली। डीबीएमएस, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क, सबके इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस मिल जाएंगे। And then you have tools to optimize your LinkedIn resume, and you can track your jobs and more resources, जहाँ पे I have added all the handwritten notes and everything for different language, PDFs, interview questions. Go and check it out. अगर वीडियो हेल्पफुल है तो लाइक ज़रूर कर देना एंड शेयर योर व्यूज़ ऑन दिस वीडियो। कुछ मिसिंग है या अच्छा लगा, एनी कमेंट यू कैन लेट मी नो। सपोर्ट करो यार, आई विल ब्रिंग मोर एंड मोर हेल्पफुल रिसोर्सेज फॉर यू गाइज। एंड क्या चाहिए आप कमेंट कर दो, उसको मैं जल्दी से क्यूरेट करके शेयर करूंगा। सो वी हैव अ टारगेट ऑफ 200 लाइक्स, जरूर कर देना यार, एंड देन आई विल ऐड द रिसोर्सेज। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो, बाय बाय।